I have no idea how this woman found me, but I got an email asking if I could possibly make lamps shaped like the HomeAway logo back before it was Vrbo. She wanted a 3D house that had a light bulb in it. I'd never really made a lamp before, but I thought, oh, I'll try. There was a couple of challenges. The window panes were supposed to be frosted white acrylic, and they needed to nest into the white seamlessly so that they would all glow. Another challenge was accessing the light bulb inside to change it if it burned out. I made the bird hole cover snapped onto the house frame. That was fun to engineer. And I used like various kinds of glues and silicone to glue in the cord to make it waterproof. And then I had to make like a holder for the light bulb. Oh, and then the dowel. That was a whole challenge. I had to find dowel for the little stick that the bird sits on because they really wanted a round dowel, not a square. I got the dowels and it turned out they weren't polished. So we had to figure out how to polish dowels. We polished them by hand because I didn't have any equipment. They decorated this whole tree at the domain with them, and it was really cool. Then when company got bought by Vrbo, they asked me if I could take one of the houses and make it into like a floor lamp. The woman that was behind the design of the whole thing, I don't want to take credit for any of the design. I made the house part and then she built the rest. And that's that odd job.